Hello, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO P101. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. Now let's select password, and to create it enter at least 4 characters. Use it to unlock the tab. And now let's select pin number. To create it, enter at least 4 digits. Use it to unlock the tab. And in the end, let's select pattern. To create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to Face Authentication. Unlock it, tap Next, and Start. Now scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the tab. And it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.